Hey guys, welcome back to Motoramblings. I am on Copper, my 2012 Suzuki VStrom DL650, built for this kind of road that you see right here. I am out cruising around the backwoods of Madison County, North Carolina, and the Tennessee state line. I have no idea what county in Tennessee, but I am exploring. I don't believe, I could be wrong, but I'm not sure I've ever been on this road. Although now that I think about it, maybe I was one time. But anyway, even if I was on it, I was going the other way, so I don't know what I'm doing here. Anyway, I think I mentioned in previous videos that I'm exploring, trying to check out some roads that I heard about through Facebook in an adventure riding group on Facebook. Somebody was asking about these roads. I happen to live close enough and thought I'd check them out. So, yeah, I'm just out here having a ball. Roads I don't know, very unfamiliar. I was trying to set up a loop, and it didn't work out quite the way I wanted to the first time around, so I decided to backtrack a little bit. And now on this road here, I have no idea what it's called. I know I'm in the Cherokee National Forest, so I'm assuming it's some Forest Service road. I just don't know what number or what they call it. When I get back home, I might Google Earth the whole thing and see what I just did for the day. But for now, just wanted to show you some not only do I have the great roads to ride around here, like the Blue Ridge Parkway, the Tail of the Dragon. There's other roads in western North Carolina, something called the Rattler. Just over the Tennessee line, I've been on the Snake, and you've seen videos from all these places. But I also have these Forest Service roads that are just fantastic. Now, there's a sign. Looks like somebody painted over it. I can't make it out. Nope. I have no idea what that says. Appalachian Trail, I believe, right there. And it says Paint Mountain. So I believe I'm in the area I need to be. This is awesome. So anyway, this is just another dimension to living in the western part of North Carolina like I do. It is just amazing, not just for motorcycling, but horseback riding. A lot of people do kayaking, and there's mountain climbing. There's just an incredible variety of things to do in these mountains that border western North Carolina and eastern Tennessee. I obviously do the motorcycle stuff, and I love it. And there's a gazillion hiking trails, including different sections of the Appalachian Trail. Ooh, fresh little gravel, nice. And so, yeah, this is just, me bragging. But God, this place is awesome to ride. And again, I have the two bikes, and riding this one on roads like this, oh, yeah, I love it. I'm an old man, but this is perfect. So anyway, I wanted to bring you along for a little bit on the narrow little road. Hope nothing comes around the corner too quick because it's single lane. A couple little ruts here and there, but nothing major. I might see if I can't. Missed it. One hell of a view over there. My glasses are fogging up. The pin lock works great, but my glasses fog up a little bit now and then. So Anyway, guys, this is just me out having fun, vlogging while I'm doing it, which is part of the reason why I called this channel Motoramblings, because I'm going to do this on a motorcycle most of the time. And yeah, I tend to ramble. I ramble about what I'm doing at the moment. Sometimes I ramble about things that have absolutely nothing to do with what I'm doing at the moment. But, you know, this is just one of those situations where I just wanted to share. Share in the sheer joy of riding. And in this case, riding dirt roads. And again, I'm not 100% sure where I'm headed. Don't know where this road's going to come out. Don't know if I have enough gas to get to another gas station. But that's all just part of it. Now, if I run out of gas and I'm walking, I might not be so happy about it. But right now, yeah, this is fun stuff. And if you've all been watching the channel, you see me riding the Goldwing, you see me riding the VStrom. By now you've figured out how much I absolutely love riding. And this variety of riding just makes it so much better. So, anyway, that's the only reason I even turned on the audio recorder was basically to brag about the fact that I'm out here having an absolute ball. So, I may have suggested this one time a long time ago. This is interesting. Thank you. A long time ago, I think I may have mentioned this. I love having two bikes. Oh, I gotta stop here. You know what? I've been here just recently. Yes. All right. Like I said, I know I've mentioned this before, but I have the two bikes, and I love both of them. But I wonder if I would have been happy with having two bikes. God, that's beautiful. If both bikes basically did the same thing. Man, that's incredible. You know, still don't know how to connect the two loops I just did. But anyway, back to the bikes. I had my little squirrel moment. My suggestion would be if you get two bikes, get one that's off-road capable, whether it's just dirt roads like this or trails, depending on what you like to do, and the other one that's for street. Now, of course, there's many varieties of bikes for the street, and everybody gets, a lot of people get multiple bikes for street ride, and I get that. You get the crotch rocket sport bike that you're going to blast through the turns and race through the tail of the dragon, et cetera, et cetera. And then you might have another street bike that's, for two-up riding and just taking it real easy. I personally decided that I was going to get the big bike that was for two-up riding, but I wanted to make sure the big bike I got was still athletic enough that either by myself or with my wife on the back, I could still really enjoy the twisties. And I'll put a video up here talking about some of those twisties. That Goldwing's a 2010 model, and I know these new ones, these DCT ones especially, they're even more sporty and more twisty capable, I guess would be the word, than the one I'm riding. And the reason I got it was so that I could enjoy the comforts of two-up riding on a big, easy, long-distance riding bike and still have a blast in the twisties. I got this bike, which I had before I got the Goldwing, so that I could do stuff like this, but yet still on pavement, ride on the highway if and when the time came, and have a blast in the twisties. And maybe I'll try to find a video where I'm showing some of that. I'll put it up here somewhere. So, my suggestion is get 2 bikes that do 2. If you're lucky enough where you can get more than 2, do it. But, for me, 2 is plenty. Get the 2 bikes that can cover the ground of what you want to do. I lucked out. It wasn't that I meant to do it this way. I got the VStrom because I had a DR650 previous to this, and I just struggled on the highway, struggled on the high-speed paved roads, and also I wasn't using it the way a DR650 should be used. I was doing this, which really did not test the capabilities of that bike. And nobody would ride with me. And so I decided to trade that in on this because, 1, I could still do this dirt road stuff that I love so much, and 2, my wife would get on the back with me. And I could take it on the road, and I could do the 60, 70 miles an hour and be pretty comfortable with it. And this bike is highly capable in the twisties. So, yeah, it's absolutely perfect for what I wanted. Oh, it's rocky right here. So anyway, this one's dragging on a long time. I'm sorry. I rambled again. So I will shut it off here, and maybe I'll come up with another one shortly. So for now, I want to thank you all for watching. I hope you all can stay well, stay safe, but most of all, stay happy like I am right now. Motor Ramblings out.